taken by the HR team of Udan, who has asked us to conduct this webinar for their employees, for their welfare and for the easiness they can conduct their for filing of income tax returns, because many are not aware of the deadlines, the extended deadlines, as well as the many of them are not aware what are the areas and how they can file the easy tax return using ClearTax. So I'll appreciate effort of the HRs, what they have done for making for the employees. So thanks a lot to them. And moving ahead, we'll go with the thing what ClearTax is helping you how to file your income tax returns easily and simplifying it. So if you have any questions, we are having a moderator Nupur. She'll answer all your questions. You can just write your queries in the chat box and she'll help you out. So what are the 7 reasons to file the ITR? Why one should file the ITR? It's an easy loan approval, quick visa processing, because whenever you go for the loan approval, they ask us for the last 2 years income tax returns or last 3 years income tax returns. So if filing of income tax return is much necessary for us. Then quick visa processing while applying for any visa for any visiting to any other country outside India, we need required for that also they ask for the income tax return, claim tax refund, income and address proof, carry forward your losses, because one who has dealing in the shares or debentures or stocks or mutual funds, if they are having any losses during the current year, to carry forward that losses and can be set off with the next year profit, they have to file the income tax return, and that is before the due date. We can, by filing the income tax returns, if I am having an income tax return, I need to pay taxes, then I have to file it and I can avoid the penalty of that. And the last one is that what ClearTax is offering is that refer and earn up to ₹3,000 ClearTax platform. You file using ClearTax, you refer to your friends, and what you'll be getting is up to ₹3,000 what you can earn using ClearTax platform. Now, what is the timeline for ITR filing? This is the most important thing. Usually, the timeline for the ITR filing is 31st July 2000 for the respective year from the next year. But the timeline for ITR filing deadline for financial year 1920 is extended to 30th November 2020. That's the main thing. The due date has been extended. We still have a time. We can file the return. We have already received our Form 16 from the company, from our organizations. So we can use this opportunity and file the income tax returns up to 30th November 2020. After 30th November, if due date is not extended, then the penalty shall be leviable on us. Now we help you out how ITR filing process with ClearTax. Now ITR filing process with ClearTax. So what you need to do is step 1, visit exclusive partner page for Udan employees. For Udan employees, we have also, Udan has tie-up with ClearTax for the benefit of the employees. So we are giving a flat 25% discount on the paid plan if anyone want to opt for it. And you can use a ClearTax portal as well as for the free filing. So what you can do is step 1, visit exclusive partner page for Udan employees. That is, you can use this link, log in using your credentials. What you need to do is log in your credentials, your email ID, set up a password, log in it, click on the upload form 16 now tab if you have form 16 in PDF format. If you do not have form 16 in a PDF format, click on start your income tax return. In case of NPA transfer, also you can follow the same process of filing of the returns. So if you're having the form 16, upload it. If you don't have in form 16 in PDF format, fine, no issue, we can enter the data manually. It's a very easy step, we can do it easily. Step 2, what you have to do, you have to upload your form 16 in PDF format here and edit the details if necessary later. What it means that once you upload your form 16, it will take the entire system, the software will be taking the entire data from form 16 and present you in our software. If you want to change any data, for example, while investment declaration or while filing it any other things, if you fail to give your investment declaration to the HR team and they have not considered it, so what you can do, you can use the same data over here and you can file it. Before filing the income tax return, you can make the necessary changes over there and you can file your income tax return. What happened if you have switched your job? Suppose for the any of the months you have worked in any other organizations and then you came to Udan. Then, so if you can also upload your multiple form 16 one at a time by clicking the option upload another form 16. As soon as you upload the first form 16, you will get the 2 tabs. Proceed to e-file, or what you will getting the upload another form 16. If you have another form 16, upload it again you need to upload your form 16 in PDF format, and both the data of the organizations will be merged and present to you. Step 3. In this step, we read your Form 16 thoroughly and provide a summary of your income and deductions during the financial year. Click to proceed to e-file to file your tax return. That is, this will directly take you to the last page. It will show you what is a summary of your data, how much income you are having, how much deductions you are having, what is your net income, on that net income, how much tax you are paying, whether you're getting a refund or whether you need to pay excess of tax. So this will show a clear picture. Now I'll take you in detailed depth in each and every tab what it is presented. So step 4, in this step, once you open the ClearTax, you will see the 5 tabs are there. The first one is personal info, second was income sources, third is deductions, fourth is tax paid, and the fifth one is tax filing. So in personal info, what you have to do is you just need to enter your name as per your PAN date, PAN number, date of birth, and your father's name, your address, and save to proceed further. This will take you to the next tab. If you want to add income, suppose you are having Form 16, you uploaded your Form 16. Apart from that, you are having any FD interest which you have not declared to the HR while investment declaration, or you have any other salary income as well, or you have any other savings interest which is more than 10,000. Then what to do? Then you need to go to the income sources tab. Over there, you need to declare your income over there, interest income in FD interest or savings account interest, whatever source of income you are having, you need to enter apart from your Form 16. Or suppose if you are having anything in shares or stocks or something, then you have to declare it in the tab capital gain, income sources. So in income sources, you'll see 5 heads of sources are there. That is salary, capital gain, house property, your other sources. So you'll find all these things. You can just enter it over there. Now step 5, now you can see that all your side details is being captured in the salary tab. So all your side details will be captured over here. So all the bifurcation of the salary tab, whatever the bifurcation is there in the Form 16, it will capture all the data over there and it will present to you in this format. So you will see that deductions under section 16, that is standard deduction of 50,000, will be applicable on each and every individual who is eligible for the salary, who is a salary employed. So over there, if you have paid any professional tax, that professional tax will be also showing over there. Step 6, what you need to do is enter investment details for deductions to be claimed. For example, LIC, PPF, health insurance premium, and claim other tax benefit here. So deduction tab shows basically ATC, ATD, ATE, all the sections in which you can claim the deductions. For example, in ATC, LIC comes, your repayment of housing loan, your PPF comes, this things comes in ATC, ATD, your health insurance, mediclaim, what you have opted for, ATD is education loan, what you have opted for, ATCCD2, your NPS. So all these things, each and every detailed format is given over there. It won't be making any trouble to you while you are looking for it. Each and every section has mentions over there what is the thing over there. So you can just read it out and you can enter details if you have failed to do so while submitting your investment declaration to the HR. So you can use that. Step 7, what we see in this step, you can populate your TDS details by uploading the form 26A. We will populate your TDS details only. So in this step, you can populate your TDS details. Means over there, what you can do, once you upload your form section, your TDS details will be automatically catch over there regarding your salary tab. But what about the other, if any other TDS has been dated, suppose on every interest or any interest amount what you have paid to others on which they have dated TDS, or you have any consultancy services, they have dated TDS under section 184G. So what about that? So what you need to do is download the form 26S from the income tax portal by logging to income tax portal, download it and upload it over here. You just need to drag and upload it. Once you upload it, entire TDS will be auto captured over here. Apart from that, if any TCS is there, for example, you have purchased any motor vehicle on which you have paid 1% TCS. If you have purchased 1%, any motor vehicle more than 10 lakh rupees, amounting more than 10 lakh rupees, what you need to do is you need to pay 1% TCS. That 1% TCS itself will be coming over here. So what you need to do is just need to download from income tax portal, upload it, and you can claim each and everything what you're having. But yes, make sure once you upload it, the respective amount of TDS what it has been shown, the same amount you disclose in your income head also. For example, you have an FD of 1 lakh rupees. On that 10,000 what you have received, on that 10,000 the bank has dated certain amount of TDS. That TDS you're claiming over here, but whether you are disclosing that income or not, make sure about it. So go to other income source, other sources head, over there disclose 10,000 rupees. So that is much more necessary for you to disclose the income as well as while you are claiming the TDS amount. Coming to next step. Here you can add the details of taxes paid for use. For example, let's take there are two Form 16 for me. I have two Form 16. I work in multiple organizations during the year. So what the thing is that it may be certain things, certain times issue came like this. The person, the SSC, the salary employee fails to disclose to the second employer that I have already an income from the first employer. So what they think comes is that the second employer deduct the TDS on the taking the benefit of 2.5 lakh, that is a basic exemption, as well as the first employer also had dated TDS on the taking the benefit of 2.5 lakh, that is basic exemption. Receive a benefit of 2.5 lakh once, but what is the thing, I have received it in two. I have received the two benefits. So it is like that, I need to check it out whether I have disclosed it or not. If not, so benefit comes to 5 lakh instead of 2.5 lakh. So what I need to do is I need to cross check the things. I need to disclose the things. If I'm not, I should be careful while filing my return of income, because that is much more necessary for me. So taking care of the things, suppose while preparing entire income tax file amount of taxes. So that tax, a link will be given in the ClearTax portal itself that will directly take you to the government portal. Once you reach over the government portal, you need to enter certain details about your PAN number, your home address, your name will be auto-populated over there, and you just need to enter the amount, entire amount in the basic tax tab, not in other tax, because the taxation will be, the head will be divided, bifurcated into certain heads. You just need to enter the entire amount in basic tax and make the payment. Once the payment you have made, the payment is successful, you need to download the challan. That is very much compulsory for us. Download the challan. In the challan there are four details which we need to enter it over here, that is advance tax and self-assessment tax. We need to add the entry and we need to enter four details over there. The first one is date of challan, BSR code, the amount what we have paid. This four thing we need to enter it over there. Once we make the entry, we need to save it. As soon as we save, it will be auto adjusting. Whatever the amount it is showing to us that we need to pay, that will be adjusted with this entry and we can move ahead. In step 9, what you see, in this step you will have to enter your Aadhaar number and primary bank account number. Primary bank account number is compulsory for the employees, for each and every one, whether you are receiving the refund or not. Suppose, because earlier what department used to do, they used to send the check or they used to give the this thing draft or something, but now they have started ECS, that it will directly going to in your income tax this in bank account. So what we need to do is we need to give the basic thing, that is our Aadhaar number, that is compulsory, as well as the primary bank account number. If you have more than one bank account number, you can disclose the same. So that is on you. But department says to disclose each and every bank account number whatever you are having. So this is the basic step what we'll be getting in the last one. That is in tax filing tab, bank info. In bank info, we need to enter the Aadhaar number as well as the primary bank account number or the secondary account number. Then in step 10, what we'll be getting, in step 10, what we can see, the screen will appear in case you have a tax refund or no tax due. It means that when I prepare my income tax return entirely, then what I can see is whether it will be showing me that you are getting a refund, or what will it show me that you have a no tax due, or it can also show me that you have to pay certain amount of taxes. So if it shows to me certain amount of taxes, then we need to go to the previous step and we need to pay the taxes over there, upload the challan details, we need to save the details, and then coming back to the same tab, that is e-find tab, what we'll see that we have a refund of 3790. So this is the thing what we need to see. Once we see this refund amount 3690, we get an acknowledgement number on our next screen. It takes a time of 5 to 7 minutes. The return is uploaded to the income tax portal, and income tax portal generates the acknowledgement number which shows that our return is uploaded. But the thing is that the process has not been completed over here. Once the return is uploaded, mandatorily we have to e-verify our return. E-verification is the last process for completing or filing a return. So once the e-verify has been completed, then only the return will be going for the process. So e-verification is most important for us. So how we can e-verify our return? For e-verification, there's a 3-step what we need to do. The first one is that we can e-verify using our bank account. The second one is we can use it by our internet banking. And the third one is that if our mobile number is linked with our Aadhaar number, we can use that. So we just need to go click on the tab. If we are choosing internet banking, that will take to the internet banking site. Over there, the option will be auto populated and we need to e-verify it. If we are choosing through bank account number, what we need to do is we need to go to the income tax portal. Over there in my profile section, we need to pre-validate our bank account. The bank account what I have submitted over there, I need to pre-validate it. Once it is validated, then it will generate an OTP. Using that OTP, we can e-verify it. And the last option is that we can use our mobile number if our mobile number is linked with our Aadhaar number. If it is linked, then what we need to do is we need to just create an Aadhaar OTP. An OTP will be coming in our mobile phone, in our number, and that OTP can be used for e-verification. So this was the process what you can use ClearTax. So I'll just recapture it for your betterment because I got a message that there was some technical issue as well as my voice was not so loud. So the thing is that the first thing what you need to do is step one is that we just need to go to the Udaan employees exclusive partner page for Udaan employees. As I earlier said to you also that Udaan, if you are opting for the free filing, it's well and good. If you are not able to file yourself, or if you are having any other source of income such as capital incomes when you are selling your shares, mutual funds, or any property, or any stocks, debentures, anything. If you are selling during the year, it may be a short term or it may be a long term. So for that, it won't support you. You need to come to ClearTax. Over there, we are exclusively giving you a discount of 25% on the paid plans amount. So that is totally only for the Udaan employees. So what you need to do is the form 16 you have already received from your company, from your organization. You just need to log into your income tax portal, sign in, and then what you need to do is you just need to upload your form 16. If the form 16 is in PDF format, if the employee does not have form 16 in PDF format, what they can do, they can enter the data manually. There's no issue regarding that. You can enter data manually. You can see everything will be there. Suppose if the format is in Excel format, the write-up will be same as what is in form 16 as well as in our software. So you can use the same write-up and you just need to enter the amount. So over there I have already said whatever you have form 16, upload it, and whatever necessary changes you have to make. What are the necessary changes? While investment declaration in the month of Jan, suppose I was not able to submit any of the data to my HR. So what I need to do? So is that I need to forget about that claim? No. While filing the return of income, I can use that same amount and I can use as a deduction or exemption, anything, and I can make the necessary changes after uploading my form 16. So over here, once you upload the form 16, suppose if I have changed the job during the year, what I need to do? I have a multiple form 16. It may be 2, it may be 3, anything. So what I need to do is, once you upload your form 16, you get an option, proceed to e-filing, or you need to upload another form 16. So you can choose a tab, another form 16, upload it over there. The software will be taking the data mergely and it will present it before you. Step 3, once you upload it, so if you have form 16, if you do not have form 16 in PDF format, I said you once you upload your form 16 as well, then as well as for the persons who are having form 16 in PDF and as well as who are not having in PDF, you have to mandatorily enter this data. What are the data? Your PAN number, but your name as per your PAN, your date of birth, your father's name, your address, and save to proceed further. So these are details. Income, then you will see the income sources will be coming. Income source, in income source, salary is already autofilled by uploading your form 16. If you have any other source of income, you need to enter manually. Suppose you are having any FD interest or savings account interest, you can enter it manually over there. If you have not disclosed to your HR, or if you have any capital gain or something, you can disclose it over there. Then you'll see the entire salary backup is there. You can check it out, each and everything. If anything misses out, you can enter the data manually over there. So deductions, for deductions I have already said you 80C, 80D, 80E, 80CCD, 1, 2, these are the common deductions what we are opting for. So in 80C, what you can see is for the LIC, repayment of housing loan, PPF, this all comes in 80C. 80D is for the medical claim, health insurance, what you are having, preventive health checkup, what you are having, this comes in 80D. 80 is for the education loan, 80 CCD 1 and 2 is for your NPS. So these are the basic and the most common deductions what a person avail for a salary employed. If you fail to do so, you can enter data manually over here. If you have already given an investment declaration to your HR, the data will be auto populated away from your form 16. Over here what you can see is TDS. If you have only salary income, the data will be already auto populated once you upload your form 16. So if you're having any other thing apart from form 16, or if you want to cross check, you just need to download it from the income tax portal and upload it over here. Once you upload, the entire data will be auto populated over here by our software, that is your TDS from salary as well as TDS from any other source of income, your TCS. If you have purchased any vehicle more than 10 lakh rupees, then you need to pay 1% TCS. That 1% TCS will be also reflecting. If you have paid during the year any advance tax or self-assessment tax, that will be also auto populated over here. So not to worry about it. Then you just need to, suppose for the entire year you have make the data, you have prepared, and what the thing is coming out, you need to pay certain amount of taxes. Then this amount of taxes you need to pay. So if you go to the last page, you will see the link will be there. Using that link, that will take you to the directly government portal. Or using that portal, you can pay the amount. You just need to enter the entire amount in the base and proceed further. Once you make the payment, you download the challan, because challan is necessary for us. Downloading the challan, you need to make an entry over here. Downloading challan, you need to make an entry over here. Over there entry, what are the 4 details I will be requiring? That is the date of deposit, my BSR code, my challan serial number, and the amount of tax what I paid. These are the basic things what I need to get the thing. Once I add the entry over here, my amount what it was showing on the last page that I need to pay, that will come to 0. That is, it will be showing no tax due. So paying that amount by mistake, if you have paid any certain excess amount, no issue, that will be coming as a refund to you. Apart from that, if you have any deductions what you missed out during the year to the while submitting to the HR, and you have claim in the return, so that will generate a refund for you. So that refund will be also showing the last page, that it will be showing that you are getting a refund of this much of amount. So this is a thing what you can use it for the payment of taxes. The link will be directly taken to the government portal. Now this is the most mandatory information what you need to enter apart from your personal info, that you will find in the last tab, that is tax e-filing. Over there you will see bank info. In that bank info you will see Aadhaar details and the primary bank account number. These two are the most important details what you need to enter. If you fail to do so, you won't be able to file your income tax return. So Aadhaar number and the primary bank account number. Primary bank account number can be your salary account or any other account what you want to, for in which if you are eligible for refund, you will be getting a refund in that primary account number, not on your secondary bank account. Then you will see in the last step over there, if you can see the proceed to e-filing, the 2 options are coming, that in PDF as well as computer Word format. In PDF it will show you the preview of your ITR 1, whatever the things you have entered over there, or whatever the thing the software has captured for you. And in Word format it will show you computation, what a chartered accountant prepared for you, a computation. You can check it out each and everything over there, which clearly shows you the result picture, that yes, this is a picture what I need to go for it, and this is a thing whether I'm getting a refund or if I have skipped anything, that will also reflecting over there. So you can judge it out and you can get the things over there. So this is a thing what you can check it out each and everything. So once you proceed to e-filing, I said it, once you proceed to filing, it will generate an acknowledgement number for you. Acknowledgement number is most compulsory. It will take for 5 to 6 minutes. Acknowledgement number is compulsory, but the process doesn't end over here. What we need to do is we need to e-verify our return. That is most compulsory for us. I'm repeating it. Until unless we e-verify, department won't consider that return to be filed. So e-verification is the most and the last step for the return filing. For the e-verification, I have also discussed there are 3 ways through which we can e-verify our income tax return. That is using our internet banking, using our account number, bank account number, and the third one is using our Aadhaar OTP. That is if our mobile number is linked with our Aadhaar number. So these are the 3 ways which we can use to e-verification. Apart from that, what you can do is you can generate that acknowledgement PDF, sign it and send it, but this process is a lengthy process, and if it's a risky process as well, whether if the will be reaching to the department or not, CPC Bengaluru. So it's better go online, e-verify it online. So this process will come in your ITR filing process. So remember, 30th November is the last day to e-verify it. You can use ClearTax portal. There are paid plans. You can use it, and that will help you a lot for filing. So this is the plan for only for the basic plan, that is for salary filings. If you are having any capital gains or any queries, you can reach to us at support@cleartax.in, and also you can mark suman.raj@cleartax for quick assistance. He'll help you out if there's a delay in response from support at ClearTax, because the multiple their congestion is there. So Suman will be helping you. Quick response will be from his side. You can also speak with Suman at and Aman in this number, in the given number. So if you choose for any plan, the CA will be assisting you in each and every basic step. So you can use the discount coupon code mentioned over here, which will give you that is discount on the paid plan services. So thank you. If anyone has doubt, you can just shoot in the message box.